When you do wake up for suhoor, also make intention to set aside some time to pray the Tahajjud Salah. The Tahajjud prayer is one of the most virtuous actions a believer can do. To get out of his bed and call upon his or her Lord in the depth of the night, in the secrecy of their own home. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala states in the Quran that one of the signs of those who believe is تَتَجَافَى جُنُوبُهُمْ عَنِ الْمَضَاجِعِ يَدْعُونَ رَبَّهُمْ خَوْفًا وَطَمَعًا, that they arise from their beds supplicating their Lord in fear and aspiration. Not only is Tahajjud a mark of your faith, but it's also the best time to call upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We know this from the authentic narration that in the last third of the night, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is closest to his slave and he calls out, "Who is making dua to me so that I can respond to him? Who is asking me so that I can give him? Who is asking for my forgiveness so that I can forgive him?" So wake up for Tahajjud and revive Ramadan.